Good morning. Good morning. I wake up early. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I drink water. I drink water. I make my bed. I make my bed. I get dressed. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink tea. I drink tea. I go outside. I go outside. How are you? How are you? I am fine. I am fine. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Aisha. My name is Aisha. I walk to work. I walk to work. I am at work. I am at work. I use a computer. I answer a call. I answer a call. I take a break. I take a break. I am hungry. I am hungry. Let's eat lunch. Let's eat lunch. The food is good. The food is good. I buy some fruit. I buy some fruit. How much is this? How much is
this? It is $5. It
is
$5.
I like this. I like this. Have a nice day. Have a nice day.